In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule mail on Yahoo Mobile. This is perfect for timing messages to arrive when they'll be most effective, whether you're coordinating across time zones or just want your note to land first thing in the morning. Start by opening the Yahoo Mail app on your phone. On the main screen, look for the Compose icon. It's the small pen or pencil symbol, and tap it to start a new message. This brings up a blank email where you can add your recipient, a clear subject line, and the body of your message. Take a moment to write everything the way you want it to appear when it sends. If you need to attach a file or insert a link or image, go ahead and do that now so the scheduled email is complete and ready to go. Once your message looks good, find the menu with more options. On Yahoo Mail Mobile, that's the three dots you'll see on the Compose screen. Tap those dots and select Schedule for later. This option opens the scheduling tools and tells the app you don't want to send immediately. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're in the Message Compose view and that you've started drafting your email. The option typically appears once the Compose screen is active. You'll now be able to choose the exact date and time you want your email to send. You'll see a calendar to pick the day and a time selector to fine-tune the hour and minute. The schedule uses your phone's current time zone, so if you're traveling or planning for someone in a different region, double check that your device's clock is set correctly. Think about the recipient's schedule too. Business hours, weekdays versus weekends, or early mornings can make a difference in how quickly your email gets noticed. After you've set the date and time, confirm the choice to lock in the schedule. Your message won't go out right now. It will wait and send automatically at the time you selected. If you want extra peace of mind, you can return to your mailbox and look for a scheduled section or a similar label where the app stores messages waiting to send. From there, you can typically open the message to preview it, adjust the scheduled time, or cancel scheduling if your plans change. And that's it. You composed your email, opened the More Options menu to schedule it for later, and set the exact send time. With this simple workflow, you can write when it's convenient and deliver when it counts.